Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can verify your YouTube channel so you can access all the features. The first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is how to unlock the intermediate features. Intermediate features, for example, has to do with custom thumbnails. It will give you the ability to use custom thumbnails, and also unlocking this feature will give you the ability to be able to post videos that are like 15-minute long. Also, it will give you the ability to live stream when you unlock this feature. Also, the second thing that I'm going to be showing you guys on this video how to unlock is the advanced feature. Once you unlock this advanced feature, you'll be able to post a lot daily. You post as you want, and also you'll be able to post a lot of YouTube shorts. Also, it will give you the ability to use a lot of thumbnails, so you don't have to use just one thumbnails. Now you'll be able to use a lot of thumbnails, and also it will make you eligible for monetization. So that's what advanced features are all about. And please, at the end of this video, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. Just drop your question, I'm going to reply you. And also, please like, share and subscribe to this channel so you'll be connected, because I'm going to be posting more tips on a daily basis. So let's get right to it. All right, so the first thing you want to do right now is go to youtube.com. Once you get to youtube.com, log into your channel. So once you've logged into your channel, you can see right now I'm already logged into my channel. Just click on this icon, and then you go to your YouTube studio. Once you get to your YouTube studio, at the bottom left corner you see settings. Then once you get to your settings, just click on channel, then go to future eligibility. You can see it right here. I've already done mine. So this is the intermediate future. You can see what it's all about right here. It will give you longer video in 15, like you make your video long, 15 minutes, and also you'll be able to use custom thumbnails, live stream. And in order to do this, you have to verify your phone number. I've already done mine, but once you come here, if you've not done yours, you see it here to verify. Once you verify, then you have to come back to this place. So once you get here, you scroll down, and then you see the advanced feature. Let me scroll down for you guys. I've already done mine, but I'm going to explain how you're going to do yours. It's very easy. So you can see all what you're going to get if you are to do this advanced feature. Especially if you plan on making money with this YouTube, you have to unlock this advanced feature. You can see it right here. Eligible to apply for monetization. If you want to do this advanced feature, you want to unlock it. You see that you are going to use video verification, which means that YouTube, they will send you a link to your Gmail, and then once you click on it on your phone, your camera is going to open up. Once your camera open up, they will scan your face. Like they will tell you to take your, like, raise your face up, raise it down, take it to the left, that kind of stuff. And then they will scan your face, and under like maybe 8 hours, they will send you a notification that okay, you have unlocked advanced feature. I'm speaking from experience because that's how I did mine. I did mine with video verification. You can see it right here. But if you don't want to do video verification, you can use your ID card, valid ID, or you can use channel history. Channel history is just like you start posting video, but that one takes longer. You start posting video of yourself, like the one I'm doing right now. Then maybe after like 2 or 3 months, then they will verify it themselves and unlock it themselves. But that one will take too much time. So the best thing, I will advise you to just use video verification. In order to use video verification, once you get here, I've already done mine. You see a button that you click. Once you click on that button, then they will send it to your email. Once they send it to your email, just bring out your phone, check the email, and then click on it. Then that's just it. They'll scan your face, and then after like 6, 7, 8 hours, they'll send you a notification that you've unlocked advanced feature. So that's just it for that. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos and get more tips. And at the end of this video, you're going to see some similar videos on my playlist, so you can go through that and also learn more. I post a whole lot of educational stuff, so you can learn more with that. So I'll see you guys on my next video.